What are the hidden costs associated with buying a new hot tub? Well, I would say for the most part, aside from an unscrupulous hot tub dealer that's adding extra costs unbeknownst to you, there's three things in particular that the average prospective hot tub owner should be aware of, are things that you're going to have to absorb the cost of before you're soaking in hot water. And the first is going to be delivery of the hot tub. Now, you might have noticed, well, delivery is included with your hot tub. A lot of the time, that means curbside delivery, and if you read the fine print on your contract, you'll see that your installers are really only delivering the hot tub to the curb, and you better have some help on site to help get that sucker in your backyard, because those things are heavy. That's something that a lot of people don't realize, and to get a couple of people, especially on short notice, if you didn't know it's coming, can cost you more than a couple of $100s, even for what amounts to just a few minutes worth of work, albeit very heavy work. That's something that you need to be careful of. That could be an additional cost that you're not prepared for if you're not looking out for it. The next thing that I would say would be startup chemicals. You have a brand new hot tub, you need everything. You don't have anything right now in terms of hot tub chemicals, and although I believe that you don't really need as much as most people use, you're still going to need a half dozen or a dozen things. All of the things even that you only use very occasionally and they last you a long time, you don't have those yet. So you're going to have to probably spend in total a couple of $100s to get all of the chemicals that you're going to need to run your hot tub for a little while. And the final thing that you're going to need to buy, steps. A lot of people overlook that. You get so hung up in the hot tub buying process, you neglect to think about, how do I get into this thing? And you're going to have to go buy some steps and maybe some other accessories like a cover lifter, and those things add up. By the time you get a nice set of steps, maybe an extra wide set or a wraparound corner set and a cover lifter, you could be up to $800 including installation for those items, or maybe even more. So that's something that you definitely need to bear in mind. Maybe negotiate those items as part of the package deal when you're originally purchasing your hot tub to help minimize your costs as much as possible. If this information was helpful to you, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.